Hello students, hope all of you are fine at your home. I am your math teacher Priya Sachar. Welcome you again in my online classes of 7th. Today we will do revision of chapter 6, that is simple linear equations. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification for that. And don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box for daily attendance. Here you can see 3x plus 6 and 12. These two expressions are combined with equal to sign. So it is an equation, right? We are using only one variable here, that is x. Having power means highest degree is 1. So it is also called a simple linear equation with one variable. Now here can you tell me for what value of x this equation will be balanced? Yes, when we will put on left hand side x as 3, then only 5 into 3 plus 3 becomes 18. Left hand side will equals to right hand side, right? So solution of this equation 5x plus 3 equals to 18 will be 3. Linear equations are very useful for us. Almost any situation where there is an unknown quantity can be represented by a linear equation, like figuring out income over time, calculating mileage rates, or predicting profit. Many people using linear equations every day. Now you are also able to do simple calculation using linear equations. Imagine that you are having 4 more chocolates than your brother has, and in total both of you are having 16 chocolates. Then how many chocolates does each of you have? Solve this word problem by simple linear equation and write your answer in comment box, right? Students are asking numericals, so here I am doing solution of those numericals. Let's start with exercise 6a, fourth numerical. Construct two equations with a is equals to 3 as a solution of the equation. So first equation which I have made is 2a plus 3 equals to 9. You can make your own equation also, and by taking LHS and RHS you can check if they LHS and RHS both are coming equal, that means that equation which you have taken is correct, right? Like 2a plus 3 equals to 9. So left hand side I am putting a as 3. So when I am solving, 9 is coming, that is equals to RHS. So this equation is correct. Second equation which I am taking, that is 4a plus 3 is equals to 7a minus 6. So in that case, first just solve left hand side, that is 4a plus 3. Instead of a, put 3. When we will solve, 15 is coming. And when I am solving RHS, 7a minus 6, on putting a as 3, 15 is coming. So LHS is equals to RHS, that means this equation is correct, right? Now 8th numerical, fourth part of the same exercise. We have to solve 5 plus 8 minus x minus 5 is equals to 53. So first open bracket, when we will open bracket, plus 8 should be multiplied with minus x, it will be minus 8x, plus 8 when we will multiply with minus 5, it will come as minus 40. So equation becomes 5 minus 8x minus 40 equals to 53. 5 minus 40 will be minus 35. When we will transpose, we have to add. So minus 8x equals to 88. Here minus 8 is in multiplication with x. When we will transpose, we have to divide. So value of x will be minus 11. Clear? Now 9th numerical, 7th part. Solve 2x plus 1 by 2 plus x plus 3 by 3 plus x minus 4 by 4 equals to 0. So in that case we have to take LCM. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So 2 6 are 12. 6 should be multiplied with 2x plus 1. Then plus 3 4s are 12. Then 4 should be multiplied with x plus 3. Then plus 4 3s are 12. Then 3 should be multiplied with x minus 4 equals to 0. When we will open bracket, then 6 2s are 12. 12x plus 6 1s are 6 plus 4x plus 4 3s are 12 plus 3x plus minus 3 4s are 12 will come. And when we will transpose 12 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to multiply. So 0 into 12 becomes 0, right? And plus 12 minus 12 we can cancel out. 12x plus 4x plus 3x will be 19x plus 6 equals to 0, right? Now transpose plus 6 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. Value of x will be minus 6 by 19. Now from exercise 6b 12th numerical, the sum of three consecutive numbers is 63. Find the numbers. The word consecutive means continuous numbers. So if one number is x, then other will be x plus 1. Next will be x plus 2. Right? So here we have to let three consecutive numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Sum of these numbers is 63. Right? So open bracket. When we will solve x plus x, that is 3x, and plus 1 plus 2 is 3 is equals to 63. Transpose 3 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. 63 minus 3 will be 60. So x is equals to 60 by 3 is 20, right? So numbers are 20, x plus 1, that means 20 plus 1, 21, x plus 2, that is 20 plus 2, 22, right? 20, 21, 22. These are three consecutive numbers whose sum is 63. One student is asking for book example number 12. Ranu and Fiona baked cakes for sale in a charity fete. They baked 57 cakes in all. How many did Ranu bake? If she made 3 more than 2 times the cake that Fiona baked. So in that case, first we have to let the number of cakes baked by Fiona be x, right? So how many cakes baked by Ranu? Number of cakes baked by Ranu, that is, she made 3 more than 2 times. So that means 2x plus 3, right? 2x plus 3. Now according to question, they are saying they baked 57 cakes in all. That means x plus 2x plus 3 is equals to 57. So open bracket, when we will add x plus 2x will be 3x plus 3 is equals to 57. Transpose 3 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. When we will subtract, 54 will come. So 3x is equals to 54. When we will transpose 3 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to divide. So value of x will be 18. So that means Ranu baked 2x plus 3. 2 into 18 plus 3 is 36 plus 3 is equals to 39 cakes. Right? Now we will do some extra numericals. First one, solve the following equations and write them in statement form. Equation is 3 by 4x plus 7 is equals to 1 by 4x minus 2. So transpose 1 by 4x from right hand side to left hand side, we have to subtract, and 7 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. So 3x by 4 minus x by 4 will be 3x minus x whole by 4, right? Is equals to minus 2 minus 7 will be minus 9. 3x minus x is 2x. When we will transpose 4 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to multiply. So value of x will be minus 18 after solving the equation, right? Now we have to write in statement form also. 3 by 4x plus 7 is equals to 1 by 4x minus 2. We have to write in statement form. So statement for that, it will be 3/4 of a number x increased by 7 is 1/4 of a number x decreased by 2. Clear? Now next sum is the three angles on a straight line are x, x by 2 and 3x by 4. Find the three angles. They are saying that the three angles on a straight line, and you know that straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. So that means these three angles sum will be equals to 180 degree, right? So according to question, equation will be x plus x by 2 plus 3x by 4 is equals to 180 degree. So when we will take LCM and solve this equation, then it will come as 4x plus 2x plus 3x by 4 is equals to 180 degree. Now transpose 4 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to multiply, right? And 4x plus 2x plus 3x will be 9x. So 9x is equals to 180 into 4. So 9x is equals to 720 degree and value of x will be 80 degree. So angles are x is equals to 80 degree, right? X by 2, that means 80 upon 2, 40 degree. 3x by 4, that means 3 into 80 by 4 is 60 degree. So angles are 80 degree, 40 degree and 60 degree. Next numerical. In a class of 42 students, the number of boys are 2 by 5 of the number of girls. Find the number of boys and girls in the class. So in that case, first we have to let number of girls be x. Then number of boys, they are saying 2/5 of number of girls. So that means 2 by 5 of x, 2x by 5. Now according to question, number of girls plus number of boys is equals to total students, right? So number of girls we let as x plus number of boys 2x plus 5 is equals to total students 42. So x plus 2x by 5 is equals to 42. Take LCM and solve. 5x plus 2x by 5 is equals to 42. 5x plus 2x will be 7x by 5 is equals to 42. When we will transpose 5 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to multiply, right? And when we will transpose 7 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to divide. So x is equals to 42 into 5 by 7. When we will solve, then x value will be equals to 30. So that means number of girls are 30 and number of boys are 2/5 of number of girls. So that means 2 by 5 into 30. When we will solve, 12 will come. So number of boys are 12 and number of girls are 30. Clear? Now I am giving you some extra numericals. Just do in your classwork notebook. PDF of this home task and today's work is also available in description below. If you have any query, then you can write in comment section. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Take care.